Macys shares skidded today after the world's largest department store chain reported lower than forecast earnings last quarter. And that's not all. It cut its full-year outlook, saying consumer spending was slower than expected over the past 3 months. Macys stock down 4.5%, one of the worst performing companies in the S&P 500 index today. And now some economists fear that the slip in sales at Macys may foreshadow more disappointing earnings at more of the nation's big retailers. Courtney Reagan has the story.
For the first time in 25 quarters, Macys reported an earnings miss. The iconic department store posting profit, sales, and forward guidance below Wall Street's expectations. Macys CEO Terry Lundgren said consumers continue to feel uncertain about spending on discretionary items, suggesting the miss could be a broad-based concern for the entire retail sector.
You're seeing auto sales strong, you're seeing housing rebounding, but small ticket purchases seem to be under pressure.
Since many expected Macys to be one of the retail standouts this reporting season, there's further reason to be concerned that reports from Walmart, Kohl's, JCPenney, and others could be even worse. But Macys executives think the weak quarter was just a speed bump. On the earnings call, CFO Karen Hoguet told analysts the retailer is, quote, doing significantly better so far in Q3. It feels like we're onto a new trend in the past 2.5 weeks. Good news for what many believe is a delayed back-to-school season.
June and July were clearly weaker. That showed up in Macys results, and I think we're going to see it in others over the next 2 weeks. But I think the reality is what that could mean forward-looking is a stronger push for back to school in August and September.
Walmart reports its quarterly results before the opening bell tomorrow. The world's largest retailer often indicates the financial health and sentiment of the lower income consumer. Analysts have been lowering expectations, though, ahead of Walmart's earnings, as the consumer appears to be holding off on discretionary spending. But Walmart's mass assortment of staple goods will likely soften the blow, something Kohl's may not be as insulated from. Nordstrom is expected to post the strongest results of the retailers reporting Thursday. Many point to the resilience and confidence of the higher-income consumer for more stable sales. Overall, while second quarter results may come in weaker than many had hoped, stronger sales could be ahead. With the all-important fourth quarter on the horizon, retailers and investors are counting on it. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Courtney Reagan.